The project on building up local capacities to ensure implementation of the management plan of Khosrov Forest State Reserve was supported by the JEF Small Grants Program in Armenia. Currently, this project is under implementation and will be completed in May 2010. Khosrov Forest State Reserve is one of Armenia's gems of nature. Established in 1958, it covers the area of 23,878 hectares and attracts many tourists from Armenia and abroad due to its close proximity to the capital Yerevan and extraordinary diversity of biological resources, landscapes, and historical heritage. Being located within priority conservation areas of the Caucasus ecoregion, Khosrov Forest has been the only protected area in Caucasus biodiversity hotspot, protecting arid mountainous habitats which represent the area of regional and global biodiversity significance. Khosrov Forest State Reserve is also recognized by BirdLife International as an IBA of global significance covered by the Important Bird Areas in Europe program. Since the 4th century, when the Armenian king Khosrov II established here the Tachar Mairi and Khosrovakert forests for royal hunts, Khosrov enjoys the rich legacy of diverse flora and fauna. Around 1,849 vascular plants occur in the reserve, of which 80 are listed in the Red Data Book of Armenia and 24 are endemics. Vertebrate animals are 393 species. Among them there are globally and nationally threatened species such as Caucasian leopard, Bezoar goat, Syrian brown bear, Indian porcupine, Eurasian lynx, Armenian viper, and many others. Historical monuments are not less diverse. Havutstar Monastery, Kakavabert Fortress, Crossstones, and others are located inside the reserve, while the globally renowned Garni Temple and Gerard Monastery are situated in the reserve's buffer zone. Obviously, in spite of these favorable prerequisites, convenient location, and wide recognition of ecotourism as a modern tool of nature conservation in harmony with human welfare, until very recent times, Khosrov did not have any infrastructure, trails, and capacities to serve visitors. In 2008, a nice and traditionally looking visitor center was opened in the Garni district to represent the welcome site of Khosrov Forest and provide comprehensive information to visitors. As a follow-up of this, a tourist center in Khosrov district of the reserve is being established by WWF Armenia with the financial support of the Norwegian Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Asogal Toscana Association within a Europe 8 TASIS project. In November 2009, the JEF Small Grants Program in Armenia provided additional funding to this initiative through a grant project. In line with the JEF strategic objectives and the reserve management plan, this project aims to improve financial sustainability of the reserve and intends to support the establishment of a ranger station, a campsite, and production and setup of information billboards and road signs. The other notable project component aims to increase understanding of local population in reserve-adjacent communities on environmental conservation and ecotourism as a valuable conservation tool. Besides, professional training on nature conservation monitoring tools and ecotourism services will be delivered to the reserve's staff. Development of ecotourism services in Khosrov Forest as a viable alternative to existing economic and cultural practices will enable local people to generate alternative income from food and souvenir supplies, become more environmentally conscious and motivated, and avert from poaching and abuse of natural resources. This is the first intervention of SGP Armenia towards the improvement of the financial sustainability of the protected area in the country.